Knob and tube wiring is an older, standardized type of electrical wiring, typically found from the 1880s through probably the 1930s or early 1940s. Knob and tube wiring are individual cloth-coated copper wires, typically held to framing members with porcelain knobs, or using a tube, porcelain tube, to go through framing members. Knob and tube wiring is typically found in older homes, and it is recommended that it's replaced, especially where it's accessible. Areas like basements, attics, possibly garages, anywhere it's accessible and exposed to potential damage. We do recommend that it is removed and conventional Romex wire installed in its place. Ideally, knob and tube be replaced throughout the entire house. However, replacing the wire throughout the entire house, all lights, switches, outlets, is sometimes cost prohibitive. The main takeaway, if you can, is remove it anywhere where it's exposed to potential damage, which would be unfinished areas of the house, basements, attics, garages, etc. One of the biggest issues we see with knob and tube wiring is degrading of the outer sheathing, or the cloth wrap on the wire itself. Essentially, it's a copper wire wrapped in tar and cloth. So over time, it tends to dry rot, especially in areas like your attic, where you have variance of temperatures from hot to cold. That all plays a part in the degradation of the insulation. Knob and tube wiring, oftentimes, if you were to take a section of it and bend it, all the insulation will fall off. So it's one of those things, you know, it's better left alone until you have the opportunity to make the commitment to actually replace it.